Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sync your Microsoft 365. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So from this community article, we are going to learn how you can sync your OneDrive for your Microsoft product. So basically the first thing to do is to simply access the OneDrive, and from there we will be able to start like syncing our account with our OneDrive, so you can be able to start like having all your files that are like on your local computer, and it will be or they will be synced within your Microsoft account. So simply you will be needing just to go first to the start menu, and from there we will need just to search for OneDrive. And basically here you will go to the OneDrive app, and as this guide is saying, now you will be needing to sign into your OneDrive with the account that you want to sync. And basically let's just go to our OneDrive, and I'm already like connected to my account. So as you can see those two icons or those two files. And if I go to my OneDrive here, you will be able to see that I have the same files from here. So let's just go to my files, and basically they are the same files. And as you can see, you can there or after then you will be able to start syncing. So as you can see, that means the status that my status is synced, and basically that's how. Otherwise, you can like start like try turning off like files on demand by following these steps. So you can simply go to the settings and then go to the settings tab, and after that you can go to the files on demand, so you can save space and download files as you use them option, and then click OK. And that's just an other additional option that you can add for optimizing your synchronization, and that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.